guys, it's Louise again here from Crazy Borgies, back with another unboxing video for yourselves today. I hope you're well and fine on this beautiful day. This one is from DIY Choose. So obviously I've done lots of collaborations with them and I'm doing another one. Yay! I love DIY Choose. So they have a lot to choose from, as all of the companies do, and I do love the budget friendly ones, and DIY Choose, I have to admit, is one of my favourites. Okay, right, so first and foremost, before I start this unboxing, if I could ask you to please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, follow me on TikTok and Instagram on Crazy Borgies Diamond Art, and hit the little notification button, which bell even, I always call it a button. Hit the little notification bell, which will notify you of my future video uploads. There we go. Right, okay, so let's see what I chose. Yes. Okay, so I have 2 canvases and 1 off canvas. So I'm gonna start with my first item. I literally just looked in to see which company it was from. I have not opened these before this video at all. So let's have a look. So this one is a 30 by 40 full drill poured glue canvas. Okay. And it's not my usual type of diamond painting that I go for, but I got it because my daughter loves purple and it looked very purpley on the camera. So I'm just going to give it a roll. Okay, so there's our standard kit that it comes with, which is your green boat, your pink pen and your little bit of wax, and it's single place pink pen as well. There we go. It's a very stiff canvas, this one. Okay, 22 colours on this, and adhesive is really good, really good, as you can tell. It looks really good on the camera actually. Sometimes it's difficult to tell when you do unboxings and you're close up like I am. It's difficult to tell if what the render's going to be like. And it's a nice thick layer of plastic actually. It really is. It's different to the usual type, but good quality stick there. Nice thick layer, very reflective layer, and I'll zoom you up in a minute so you can see the stamp. That's because I've been just filming my unboxing video for Cross Stitch. The drill area, there we go. Get the words right, Louise. Yes, there we go. But isn't it beautiful? It looks really beautiful in the camera. It's funny that how some pictures look nicer in the camera than they do actually up close. But anyway, so this one has 22 colours, and I'm pleased to say, guys, that they are all in packets. Yes, they're all ready, kitted up for us. So it's literally a case of just opening them up, pouring them out and diamond painting. Excellent. So, and it's a lovely ship in the night sailing away with a lovely moon here. Just gorgeous, love it. I really hate having what's it called, air bubbles underneath this plastic. Really gets to me, it really does. That's as good as I'm going to get it. But I think it's just really beautiful. And they had other ones as well. They had one with red on it, and I was going to choose that, but then my daughter was sitting next to me and she loves purple, so I went for this one. So I could tell it'd have a lot of purples in it. And I'm going to zoom you up now. The symbols are all... Get 2 legends, one on either side with the DMC codes, and it's all alphabetical symbols. Okay, so I'm just gonna zoom you up so you can see. I hope that's clear enough. The quality of the drill area. It's really difficult to show you when I've got that ring light is piercing my eye. There we go. Can you see the thumbnail now, guys? There. Whoops, it probably would help if I took the plastic off. I do apologise. There we go. So there's the thumbnail and the DMC codes and the legend. Beautiful. It does, some of the adhesive has run on over onto the back though. I can feel it along the edges here. And the canvas again has that lovely sparkle in it as well. So right, let's have a look at these diamonds. 22 colours. I'm not going to take them out because we already have them in baggies and I don't like, they just look so gorgeous lined up. I don't want to ruin it. So we do have a lot of browns and purples. I would always recommend to go through these though, make sure that you've got all your bags there. Okay. I mean, I think that it's highly unlikely if they've gone to the trouble of lining them up like this, that there's got to be one missing, but you never know. You never know. Gorgeous purple. See what I mean? There's got lots and lots of different shades of purples in there. But they've got a lovely diamond symbol on the bags as well. Handicrafts Wonderful Life, I think that says. I think. I'm not sure. It doesn't really matter, does it? What it says. But yeah. Lovely, lovely, lovely colours. Okay. As usual, I will link the products shown in today's video in the video description box, and I will also put a link to DIY Choose online store themselves, so you can have a little window shop as well. But I really like this image actually. If you love purple, I think Sweet Tea loves purple, this would be the perfect kit for you, Sweet Tea. Okay, all right then. I'll let you know the prices as usual at the end of the video. I don't know if I just said that. I probably did because I'm very tired and it's now midnight and I'm filming. But after what happened with Rio, can you blame me? Because she's a little pest, that one, I tell you. She really is. That's the only way to describe her, is a pest. A pest with feathers. Yes. Right, so my next one is off canvas project. You know, I love my off canvas projects. So it comes in a nice sturdy box with all your directions on the back. That is not the item I've chosen. They're just purely showing you the instructions of how to diamond paint. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, over it goes. Yes, so I chose this. This looked interesting to me. The reason I chose this was because I really liked this one, but I saw so many people doing it over Easter that I didn't want to do it as well. So I chose it in a frame. So, well, it says it comes in a frame. I'm not sure. Let's have a look, shall we? Should we have a look and see what this is all about? I can't get into it because I've got my nails on and I don't want to break them. Hang on a sec. Let's have a look. Come on. There. Okay. Ooh, okay. This is interesting. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's actually on some acrylic. Lovely. Was not expecting that. Whoa. Okay, hang on. That's just part of the box that's popped out at me. So we've got a little stand that it comes with, like so. And whoops, you can have it on your stand like that. Oh, isn't that beautiful, guys? See? You can have it on your stand on your fireplace or your shelf, wherever you're going to put it. And it says Faith, and you diamond paint all of the frame as well. Lovely. That's going to look really beautiful. It'd be nice actually to do as a gift for someone as well. So yes, I think this is going to be beautiful. And it has it all diamond painted all around the edge. And then some of the sunflowers and the butterfly. And of course, Faith in the middle. You've got to have faith, guys, in this world. Yeah. Whoops, there we go. I'm just going to put it down. I think my camera's gone funny here, guys. So, nice clear print. Lovely. And we do have a lot of special shapes going on this one, guys. It's all numerical symbols as well. I'm just trying to lift up this plastic to see. Yep, adhesive is good, and it is literally, oh, that's nice. They have put it just on the areas that you diamond paint, so even on the sunflowers where you don't diamond paint, it's not sticky, which is nice. So yes, lovely. Let me give it a bit of a smell. Not too strong, no. So there we go. I just want to give it a quick measure. Where did I put my tape measure so I can see the size roughly of it, and then we look at the diamonds that it comes with, or that come for it. Okay, so 25 centimeters by 20. Yeah. Yeah, I'll say 20. Hi guys, right, I'm back again with this beautiful, beautiful sunflower in a frame. Beautiful. So, standard kit, apart from extra baggies, which are good for storing your leftovers in. as well. So there we go. Right, these have some special shapes in, I can see here. Should I take them out? They've got about 16 colours on this. I will take them out because I like to look through the specials. So, whoops, daisy. Someone's gone and packed them all nicely away, and here I am getting them out. So we have these gorgeous tiny skinny marquees in the yellow, which are obviously for the sunflower petals, which will look beautiful. And then we've got some gold domes as well in a medium size, number 15. They are going to go around the edge of the frame, just around here, so that's going to look really nice. And then we've got some pearls in teardrops, and they've got the Aurora Borealis coating on them ever so slightly, just to give it a bit more sparkle. So, and they are going to also go in between your gold medium-sized domes as well, so it's going to look really stunning. Okay, and then the rest are just normal crystal rhinestones. So we have like a greyish colour there, dark grey, black sort of colour. Okay, and then we have a bluish colour, dark blue, green, a black, whoops, too near, a brown, can you see that? Yeah, brown, orange, green. I hope you're getting these colours because I know the glare is bad from the ring light. I'm just going to put them all here, guys. It's got a gorgeous yellow there as well. Green. Whoops. A lime green there as well. An orange, really light orange. A really light dark yellow there. And a clear. So 16 colours altogether. Okay. So let's just put this all away, and then I can get the last canvas out. Go. So you could also, you don't have to use your stand with this, you could also put it on the wall with some of those little command strips, but the only thing with them is if you stuck it on the wall, because this is see-through, you'd see it, you see. So you could put it up with some clear double-sided adhesive if you could find some. That, you know, I'm sure they do tape like that as well that you can stick up, but how long it lasts I don't know. I think I'll probably just stick with the stand myself personally and put it up somewhere high away from little hands. But I think that is gorgeous. Yes. Okay. Put this all the way back in its lovely box until I am ready to complete it. Okay. Whoops, why are you not going in there? Okay. So, really pleased with that one. That's going to look really lovely once it's completed. Last canvas now. Okay, where is this? There we go. This is a special shape partial. Shock horror. Okay, 30 by 40. It was from their new arrivals as well. So I'm just going to give it a little roll. Do have some special shapes. Wow, look at the size of them bad boys in there. Wow, lovely. Let's just zoom you. What? No, zoomed you. There. Okay. So standard kit once again. And look at the drills in a minute. And this one only has 8 colours on it. The symbols are all numerical and they're all the same as the numbers on the bags. On the diamond bags, that is. So I saw this, and you know how I love pink blossom trees and cherry blossoms and all that. Really, really love that type of, well, I love trees in general actually. So there we go. I saw this and I thought, oh yes, that's definitely for me. So partial, once again for those once again for those who are new, a partial is just where you simply diamond paint some of the picture, not all of it. Okay, so only where it's sticky and has the symbols on. Very good quality stick there, very good. Go nice and slow here. It does have some deep folds in it, but I think once it's lay underneath, it feels like I've got something on the back here. No, just under there, let's see. No, it's not a diamond. So I was diamond painting earlier. Okay. So yes, it is beautiful. It is just purely some blossoms or pink flowers on a blossom tree, I think. And yeah, so just 8 colours, sorry. And we have all the crystal codes there listed as well. 2 legends either side. And nice clear drill area. Lovely. And yeah, I'm just getting the thumbnail ready for you guys. So that is, whoops, I hope you can see. That's a thumbnail. Whoops, I don't want to get too close because it goes funny when I get too close. So that's a thumbnail. Okay. And I saw it and I just really loved it. Really loved it. It's a bit oriental looking as well, isn't it? But I love cherry blossoms. Just such gorgeous, and I love trees in general, you know. Okay, right, so let's have a look at these gorgeous diamonds that come with it. Another thing I would say for the diamonds that are in the baggies, so these in the other two kits, there's nothing that matches it up to the actual canvas. Okay, for this one for the off canvas I'm not too fussed about, so because it comes in its own little box. But with the canvas that had the baggies, always write, if you store your canvases separate from your diamonds, I would always get a little sticker and write the canvas item number, which is up here next to the thumbnail, and I would put that on your pack of diamonds so that you just don't lose track of things, because it's easily done, guys, it really is. Okay, we have a big old bag of pink rhinestones there, lovely. Okay, oh wow, we have some gorgeous pink, bright pink, also like, no, I'm going to say magenta, that's my word at the moment, magenta, and they're in a large teardrop shape. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and these are the gold domes. Look at the size of those. Wow. They're obviously going to go in the centre of, yeah, number 6. Right, I'm back, guys. The camera just died on me, as usual. Okay, right. So, next one is some gold medium-sized domes there. Lovely. Lovely. And then we have some crystal rhinestones. We have an orangey colour and a dark yellow colour there. So lovely. Hope you can see the quality. It's really nice. And then we have a magenta colour again, pinkishy purple, and a clear. So there you go. Lovely. Okay. So now I need to put this all away, and then I will give you the prices, so you have a rough idea of how much things cost. So there we go, there's that one. So for this one, get my pen, $5.09 this one is, and these are the prices as of today, which is Wednesday the 26th of April. I've forgotten what I said now. $5.09 DIY choose. Okay, so $5.09 for this one. For this off canvas item with the acrylic painting and frame with the stand, $10.19. Okay, and then for the first item, this ship is $4.89 for this one. Okay guys, so I hope you've enjoyed my unboxing, and yeah, let me know which ones you like or which ones you don't like. As I said, I wouldn't usually go for one this dark usually, but I'm hoping it looks as good as what it did on their website. This one, let me see, the boat was $4.89, wasn't it? I said 89. DIY shoes. So yeah, I wouldn't usually go for one this dark, but I really liked the image, and my daughter loves purple, so why not, and I'm loving the cherry blossoms as well. But this should be interesting, let's just say that. So anyway, please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, follow me on TikTok and Instagram on Crazy Porgy's Diamond Art. Hit the little notification bell, which will go bing and tell you every time I upload a new video, okay? And thank you so much for joining me for today, and I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. Take care of yourselves, and most importantly, take care of your loved ones, your elderly, your fur babies, your feathered babies too. I've got a feathered baby, so she's asleep at the moment, Miss Rio. But yeah, because tomorrow's never promised, guys. It never is, trust me. So just, yeah, love one another, be kind, and put God first, and all the rest should follow. All the good stuff, hopefully. Okay, bye for now, guys, because I've got to go to bed because I'm just jibber-jabbering on nonsense here. I will link, as usual, everything will be in the video description down below, like I said, and check them out. If you love diamond painting and off-canvas projects, then I'm sure you'll be able to find something that you like. Okay, take care, God bless, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now, guys.